Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When x approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have 0 over 0, and we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have about 1 over the square root 1 minus s squared. This one we have cosine x. Now we put number 0 cone here and here. And we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.